What's up, YouTube? We got another unboxing video for y'all. Strychnine here. This is an electric cigarette roller from eBay. I'm trying to quit smoking, but until then, might as well roll my own. I actually was rolling my own with one of those crank rollers, but it broke. So I ordered this one. It was 23 bucks. It is actually no name really. It's just a rolling machine. Let's see what she looks like. This is just a quick unboxing video. I'll do a review on it later. It's yeah, the $22 one. I think it has a setting for, it has a hopper to put your tobacco in, and you can get a bigger hopper. And of course it works best if you like prep your tobacco, you know, cut it up so it's not in such long strands. I'll show you what tobacco I use. But there's a little cleaning kit. That's it. Oh, it's got a power source. It's a 120 volt power source. Looks like it's, I thought it would be a plug-in, but it's not. This is the hopper for the tobacco. You see how small it is. And this is a little tobacco catcher. This is where you slide the tube on. I'll do, like I said, I'll do a review. I'll show you guys how it works. This here is, yeah, that's a tightness setting. This thing's badass. That opens. That's where the tobacco gets ground up and pushed into the tube. But yeah, it looks pretty sweet. I will, I'll put it together and show you guys how it works on another one. To be continued. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Press them buttons to subscribe. Thanks.